Hi, good morning. This is Joyce at Delightful Quilting and Sewing, a quilting dealer in Avon, New York. This is a short bonus video. I wanted to show you computer guided systems today, and so I'm going to be posting another video on both Quiltmagine and IntelliQuilter. This is the carriage of a used system, used about 1 month only. And it wasn't a customer of mine, but I got this from Knowlting. And I think one of the reasons the customer was unsatisfied is because if you look here, this is a whole pile of thread I've taken out of the gear. This is the gear that has the belt in it that goes horizontally from one end to the other of the frame. And if you look down in there very carefully, you can see silver. And that's thread still wrapped around that gear that I'm having a problem getting that thread out. When this thread gets wrapped around that gear, it prevents this gear from moving as it needs to. It rolls back and forth. It's told to do that by the software moving around to stitch out the design. And when there's thread caught in there, and this thread is caught both directions, so this gear actually is not moving like it needs to be. It pulls one direction and it's pulled tight in the other direction. This can impede the stitch quality of your Quiltmagine. So it's imperative that you clean this out on a regular basis, that you check it and make sure. Obviously, whoever had this didn't cut their threads on the bottom or something. Not sure what it was. These threads hang down, they get caught in the belt that's going around this gear, and it's a problem. I'll show you over here on the Quiltmagine that I have on the NV. It doesn't matter what machine you have on it, but you can look down in there, you can see the belt right there over top of the gear, and if you look in there, there's no thread wrapped around the front of that gear. When that thread gets wrapped around there, both directions, it's pulling and preventing that gear from moving, preventing the machine actually from moving smoothly in all the directions that it needs to. So please clean out that gear. That's one thing that you need to check on a very regular basis if you're using Quiltmagine or a similar product. It could be QCT. Make sure that gear is cleaned out. Check to make sure there's no threads wrapped around that gear so that it works properly all the time. So that's it for this Tech Tuesday, and I'm going to be posting more on computer guided systems in a little bit. So if you're interested in learning more, stay tuned.